Hi, it's Yellow here from Carbs Cals with another quick app update. Firstly, a massive thank you to all the people who completed the first app survey a few weeks ago. We've had 625 responses and you provided some really useful information that we've used to make some key decisions on the new app that is coming out next year. We will be sharing the main results of that survey soon. And now we're thinking about what content we could add to the app that would be the most useful to you. We've done a separate survey for this, so you can let us know which content you would like to see in the app. There are just 5 sections of this content survey. Section 1 is foods, where you can tell us which categories you would like more foods in, and specifically what foods you would like included. Section 2 is about eating out, where you can tell us which restaurants, fast food, cafes, pubs, and other chains that you go to regularly. We'll make sure that we add the most popular chains to the app if they have their nutritional information available. We've got lots of recipes in the Carbs Cals books and we're looking to include them in the app at some point next year. So section 3 is asking what types of recipes you would like us to include. We've also got lots of meal plans and we could make more based on your requirements. So section 4 is asking what types of meal plans you would like to see in the app. And finally, section 5 is about which nutrients you are interested in using the app to track. We're really keen to be more and more responsive to the requirements of you as the users, so fill in the survey and have your say in what you would like to see in the app. Make sure you subscribe to the Carbs Cals YouTube channel and press the bell button to be kept up to date. The YouTube channel is the main platform we'll be using to release news and previews of the new Carbs Cals app, so we highly recommend subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for all your time and support. We are very excited about the new Carbs Cals app and your contribution is making a difference.